Hello everyone, this is Lata Akula. In this video we are going to study about new phylum, that is Mollusca. In our last video we have studied about Arthropoda, right? So Arthropoda are the largest phyla in animal kingdom. First largest phyla in the animal kingdom, and the molluscans are the second largest phyla in the animal kingdom. And they include nearly 110,000 species of these molluscans are found on the world, on our earth. And if you see the mollusca, the name mollusca, it is a Latin word which means soft tissue, because if you see the snails and all, the body, inside the body, outside it is covered with shell, and inside the body is very delicate and soft, hence they call them as molluscans. And these molluscans, they may present in terrestrial habitats and in the aquatic condition also, right? In the beaches we will observe so many shells are present, right? These are nothing but molluscans only. And in our gardens also, when we are growing any plants, in the ponds we are able to see small snail-like structures. All those are molluscans only. And they exhibits organ system level of organization. What is organ system level of organization? Different organs will function together and form an organ system which will have the physiological function. And they exhibits bilateral symmetry. If you cut the animal in one plane, that divides the animal into two equal halves, and they are triploblastic in nature. What is the meaning of triploblastic? They consist of three layers: outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm, and inner endoderm. And these are coelomate animals. What is the coelomate? Coelomates, the body cavity present between the body wall and gut wall is called as coelom. And the body is covered by a calcareous hard shell which will act as an exoskeleton that covers the inner soft tissue. And the body is not segmented. Like arthropods, they do not have any segmented body. And the body is divided into head, hump and foot. Body is divided into head, muscular foot and visceral hump. Like that the body was divided, and the soft spongy layer of skin is present in the man. This is hump. Inside this is called as mantle, which is a soft spongy, which is made up of soft spongy layer of skin. And between the mantle, between the hump and the mantle, there is a cavity is present which is called as mantle cavity. In that cavity, gills are present. What are present? So feather-like gills are present, which are useful for the respiratory functions. And the head consists of, here see this head. Head consists of sensory tentacles. Okay, the sensory tentacles are present. If you see the mouth, this is the mouth. Inside this mouth, there is a file-like rasping organ is present, which is called as radula. See here, this is just like a tongue, but it consists of sharp teeth are present on the tongue, that is called as a radula, which will be helpful for the rasping function, for the tearing, for piercing the food. For that purpose, this radula will help. And these are dioecious, that means male and female are separate, and these are oviparous. These are oviparous means they lay eggs. And in this, development is indirect, that means they consist of larval stages in their development. Examples for these molluscans are Pila. Pila is called as apple snail. Pinctada vulgaris, it is called as a pearl oyster. We are getting pearls, right, which are used in the jewelry. That pearls we are getting from this Pinctada vulgaris only. Pearl oyster, which is commonly called as sepia. Sepia is called as cuttlefish. Loligo means squids. Octopus, we know that we have seen this octopus, which is called as devilfish. Aplysia is called as sea hare. Dentarium is called as a tusk shell, and Chaetopleura is called as chiton. These are the examples of the molluscans which are included in this phylum. So once again I will discuss a few points. What are the molluscans? These are the second largest group of animals second largest phyla in the animal kingdom. The meaning of the mollusca is a soft tissue. These are present aquatic and terrestrial condition. The body is organization is organ system level of organization. These are bilaterally symmetrical triploblastic and coelomate animals, and the body is covered by a calcareous shell which will act as an exoskeleton covering the inner soft tissue. And if you see the inside this hump, there is a soft spongy layer is present which is called as mantle. The body is divided into head, foot and hump, and between the hump and the mantle there is a mantle cavity is present. Inside the mantle cavity gills are present which will helpful for the respiration, and near the head there are tentacles are present which are the sensory organs, and inside the mouth there is a tongue-like structure, file-like structure is present which is a rasping organ, helpful for the radula is present. See, this radula is nothing but tongue-like structure but consists of sharp teeth-like, and that is called as radula. That's main function is a rasping function. And if you see this, these are dioecious and these are oviparous lay eggs, and development is indirect. If you see the examples, phyla which is called as apple snail, pinctada that is pearl oyster, sepia cuttlefish, loligo squids, octopus devilfish commonly called as, Aplysia commonly called as sea hare, Dentalium commonly called as tusk shell, Chetopleura which is called as chiton. These are the characters of the molluscans. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Lata Akula Biology Tutorial. Thank you.